What is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below as well as hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And hit that join button, you guys. We've got a ton of new membership tiers I don't want you guys to miss out on. So definitely check that out as well as our new merch. We have so much incredible heat on our new site, so be sure to check out that store when you have a chance. Other than that, let's get into this video. We have a special guest today, you guys. It is Funko Pop hippie Thor. I was not expecting you, Thor. Do you want to tell our audience why you're here today?
Well, actually, I was traveling through the galactics, and I saw in the intergalactic yellow pages there was a ShadeTV. I was looking for a new pair of sunglasses. Do you have sunglasses for me?
Oh my goodness, Thor. I didn't know to tell you this, but shade doesn't really pertain to sunglasses. It's actually about me throwing shade in the sneaker world or the hype world, not necessarily sunglass shade. So I'm definitely not going to be able to help you in that department.
Well, I traveled a long way. Maybe you can help me with something else.
I don't know how long that round trip is going to be for you, because you're definitely probably going to have to head back home also after this video is done, I'm assuming. So I can't help you in the shade department, but I think we may be able to help you actually fall in love with the shoe that I'm going to give an overview on. Then I'm going to talk about sizing. So we'll see, I don't know what your size feet are in those sandals, but maybe we can fine tune that. Then talk about some styling. I don't know, maybe you'll fall in love with some of my styles. You've got this hippie feng shui look going on that I'm kind of feeling. But after that, we're also going to talk about resale on the shoes. So if you actually get these shoes and you don't want them and you want to resell them, you'll get some valuable information there. So shall we start, Thor, with our overview?
If you have a drink, I'm ready to start.
What do I have? Actually, I have something that's maybe perfect sizing. I have a little flask here. Will that do? Will that do? Should we just... I'm gonna put it here. You wait to drink this because I want you to be sober through this overview. I don't want you to get too wasted. Is that the right size, Thor?
It'll do.
All right, so let's get into the overview of this shoe. This is the Nike Dunk High SP, Thor. So if you were wondering what silhouette is this is a Dunk High, and it is also the 35th anniversary for the Dunks this year. I don't know if you knew that. Did you know that?
I definitely did not know that.
So Nike has been celebrating the Dunk by launching a ton of them this year, and they're ending off the year, with a pretty stellar color that I think is going to go great actually with your hair.
Don't make me blush, please.
I don't know. I mean, obviously they themed this color off of Iowa. I feel like you've been to Iowa. Didn't you do a crash landing in some cornfields or something?
Yes, where I met the love of my life. I don't know where she went.
I was going to ask you how that was going. I mean,
it's a sore subject.
I have no idea how him and his relationship is going with Natalie Portman. But you know what? I actually am going to maybe potentially set you up with somebody else. Her name is Storm. I think she's super sexy, and I don't know, you're like the god of thunder. She deals with the weather too. What do you think? If you want me to send you a picture of her on Bumble or something?
Oh, well, I'm actually on Tinder.
Oh. All right, well, I don't know if Storm has a Tinder account set up, guys. Just quite yet. I don't know if she's got that account set up, but we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. So let's get into back to the shoe. So as far as ladies, since it seems that you're having some issues with the women department, I think you could pick up a lot of women in this shoe, I'm not gonna lie. Not only does it come with these like bright maize laces, which maize is the color name of the shoe, since you know all about those cornfields. It comes with this, but also, let me grab the other two laces it comes with. It comes with a white and a black. So if you don't want to come off as like the guy Thor that's always wearing the same shoe the same way, mix it up. Add some other laces. This is my favorite thing when it comes to shoes, when we get extra laces, because you can get creative. I don't know, put some of these on your hammer even. What do you think about that?
My hammer's not worthy of those laces.
Oh, maybe we'll make it worthy. We'll see. We will see. So let's just talk about the leather. Okay, I gotta be honest with you, Thor. You're not gonna be picking up chicks with those sandals, especially here in New York. It is cold outside. Women will look at you like you are absolutely crazy out here. So how do you feel about throwing those away in the garbage can?
Well, that's where I found them, so it wouldn't be a far fetch.
All right, well, this is some pretty high quality leather we've got going on here. We've got this beautiful overlay of this maize yellow atop this beautiful black leather color blocking scheme. Then we've got just a nice simple white midsole, followed by this just nice pop of maize coloring for the outsole and that bright pop of yellow. And also we've got just a simple, you know, black tongue going on here with the nice maize Nike and swoosh mark. On the insole we've got that bright pop of yellow as well with the Nike on there in black. And it's quite comfortable, let me tell you. You know, you have these like crash landings, Thor. I feel like you're like literally crushing the ground underneath you. So do you feel like you could, you know, use a little bit more stability with your sneaker game?
Well, I'm definitely going to be on a long trip home, so these will make it a lot better than my flip-flops.
I think so. I think this may be the winner for you. I'm pretty excited for Thor actually to try these on. I can't wait for him to just walk out of here, head back on that. How long is that journey back home?
For me, instant. I'm a god.
Touche, Thor. Touche. Touche. Well, all right. So thank you so much, Thor, for tuning into my channel unexpectedly and landing in. We are going to try these shoes on at the end. And also, I feel like you wanted to sing a duet. I think you were whispering to me earlier about who will be our next guest.
You weren't supposed to mention that publicly yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. That's a secret. But stay tuned till the end of the video for that duet, because you guys are going to want to know who is going to be showing up for our next unboxing. All right, so let's talk about sizing now with this shoe. Thor, thank you so much. We're going to just take you off the scene for 2 seconds, and you can just hop back in, fly back in. I know. Say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. We'll be back.
Don't shake me around too much. My stomach hurts.
All right. Un momento. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot your booze. Now, let's just open this up for him. We're going to be nice. Yeah, you want to take a whiff of that? Yeah. Here you go, Thor.
Oh, that's the good stuff.
I knew you would say that. All right, so I got this shoe in a size 7.5. I've been kind of strange with dunks lately and sizing, but for the highs, I feel like I'm true to size. So I got a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. So definitely stay true to your size in these. All right, now let's talk about styling these. These are one of those shoes that are definitely that shoe that you want it to be a look at me type of colorway. So this is not something, if you're shy and you don't want people staring at your feet, I would probably steer clear of this color, but I love a pop of maize yellow. It's such a beautiful, potent coloring scheme. So I really kind of laid back and went with my all black kind of looks for the first look, because you guys know I love me some black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And for that first look, I paired it with a longer leather skirt, and that really ties in with the leather that's going on throughout the silhouette. Then I tied that in with just a simple black hoodie underneath a oversized boyfriend fit blazer. And that look is a little bit more dressy, but I wanted to give you guys another perspective on how you can really wear this shoe on a more dressed up look.
Yes, I'ma love you like you love Johnny Cash. I'll be your gangster, I'll be your man in black. I know what I'm doing, yeah, don't need a map. I got the juice to throw your train off the track. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching. Get a little too close, oh, now we're touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact. I'll rock your world, I'll knock you flat on your back. When I'm bored, I'm really good boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
For the second look, I decided to pair that with none other than my Ariel Supreme jacket. You guys already know that's one of my favorite jackets that I've copped this year. And I noticed that coat has lots of yellow tones coming off in the sky and the city lights. So I felt like that was the best pairing for this shoe, in a sense where the yellows really popped off of the shoe and popped off of the coat. I paired that with just some simple distressed black jeans, and the black obviously is going to go well with pretty much anything.
You be my bunny, baby, I'll be your Clyde. Hit the ignition and I'll give you a ride. Swing of your hips has got me fit to be tied. I'm shaking tail and taking names on the side. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching. Get a little too close, now we're touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact. I'll rock your world and knock you flat on your back.
For the last and final look, I went with my humble brag crew neck. If you guys don't already have it, be sure to check out my store. But that comes in a nice bright yellow print, which obviously I felt was perfect for this coloring scheme, as that sweatshirt is the same colorway as the shoes are. And I paired that with just some simple light skinny denim jeans.
You don't have to in Red Bank, that's just not like the restaurant.
What's up, guys? Just chilling with my humble brag shirt on, being stopped by people who are watching me in my one pair of sneakers. They feel like I have a sneaker shop or something outside. And I don't know why they would think that. Could it be that these are just extremely bright shoes? I don't know. But people seem to be stopping and staring and coming up and asking if I have any extra shoes. I only have 2 shoes here, so I don't know why they think this is a sneaker store, because it's not. But anyways, we are gonna continue to shoot. It's a beautiful Sunday, and it's nothing better than having some warmth. It's not in the 50s today. Oh, hallelujah. So let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite outfit, or how would you guys style them? All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. All right, so the Varsity Mazes currently sold for $120 retail, and currently on the resale market, they're not too crazy. So if you didn't actually cop these, I feel like it's in a range that's quite affordable, depending of course what size you are. So as far as an 8.5 and below, the base sizes, that's going around $170. 8.5 and above is between $180 and $200. So that is the conclusion of the overview of the shoe. We're gonna bring Thor back out and we are going to sing a duet together to introduce who our potential next Funko Pop character will be on the next show, as well as it will be a hint to what shoe we will be unboxing next. So be sure to put your guesses in the comment box below. Let us know who you think will be the next guest, as well as the next shoe that we'll be reviewing and unboxing. Again, you guys, thank you so much for tuning to my channel. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We're gonna get to this duet. One told me long ago,
there's a calm before the storm.
I
know. It's been coming for some time. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah!
Thanks so much again, you guys, for tuning in to ShadeTV. Again, my name's Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You guys, thumbs ups really mean a lot to the channel. It helps these videos get viewed way more. So definitely, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments as to who your guesses are for the next video and what shoe we will be unboxing next. As well as hit that notification bell, as we have a ton of content coming out, and be sure to check that join button as well as our merchandise. We will catch you on the next video, everyone.
Oh, I rather enjoy these.